Not a good time?
I know, that's what we're talking about.
I already had it.
Yeah.
You didn't have them yesterday. Oh, really?
Yeah. Because otherwise it just flops between 9.9.
I think it rapidly goes to the left. My God, there's no way I'm hanging out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. Hey, how you doing?
In my own words, Security Forces is the shield of the Air Force. Focus on combat readiness, counterterrorism, and the Air Force just utilizes us all around the world for all of their bases to make sure that their personnel and their assets are protected.
You need security for the flight line, period. I mean, you don't want just anybody being able to gain access or trying to destroy a plane or anything like that. I mean, we have to have air power here. I mean, we're the ones that provide close air support out there for our troops on the ground.
The most stressful part of the job out here is the fact that you've got a whole bunch of people from a bunch of different bases, and you've got to bring them together. Everybody has to mesh, everybody has to get used to how the other person interacts or reacts to any type of attack that we may have, or any type of anything that may pop up that may surprise the person.
When IDF happens, which is in indirect fire, mortars, rockets, if that hits, they have us sent out there, sweep the areas, make sure nothing's damaged, make sure nobody's injured. Doing the work is easy, it's second nature, we live and breathe it. The hardest part is probably missing home. The job is easy, it's pretty simple. Just missing home. Been here for a while now.
I mean, the little ones miss me. Wife definitely misses me. I mean, be home soon. I mean, it's military life for you. You deploy, you come home. It is what it is.
I'm on an extension right now, so I've been in for almost 7 years, and I'd say this is probably the best part of my whole entire since I've been in. My grandmother, after she got out, was a dispatcher for a local police department, and she's kind of one that pushed me to do law enforcement and kind of had a major influence on my life and choice decisions.
I mean, it's a really important mission. I mean, it's pretty fulfilling being out here, being able to say that I've been to Afghanistan, to be able to, do something more.